I am Kishan Shah, and today's thought is every day is a bank account and time is our currency. No one is rich, no one is poor. We have got 24 hours each. I repeat it, every day is a bank account and time is our currency. No one is rich, no one is poor. We have got 24 hours each. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. I am Tasmiya with today's scripture. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل والله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, I am Nidhi. The meaning of scripture is He is Allah, the One. Allah is eternal and absolute, nor was He born and nor He was born. And there is none like Him. Thank you, have a nice day.
The lines are as follows. Chennai faces water lodging after the school closed more unexpected. Defense panel approves massive bills for more fighter jets in India. Silkyara Tunnel rescue declared successful. All workers in normal condition allowed to return home. ED conducts searches across 3 cities in the ABG shipyard case.
Good morning. Myself Ayush and today's sports headlines are as follows. Rahul Dravid is set to continue as Team India sports after the BCCI extended his and support staff's contract. Virat Kohli informed the BCCI of his indefinite break from the ODI and T20 and will be unavailable to play against South Africa. There was no confirmation of Rohit Sharma's captaincy. Thank you and have a nice day.
Financial success is not a hard science. It is a soft skill where how you behave is more important than what you know. Good morning. Today I, Khushi Agarwal,
And I am Ananya Singh.
student of class 11C, standing before you to present our morning assembly on the topic Psychology of Money.
The psychology of money refers to the study of emotional, cognitive, and behavioral factors that influence how individuals think about, manage, and make decisions regarding their finance. The persona of money revolves around our attitudes and beliefs about finance. Some people see money as a source of security, while others view it as a means to attain power and happiness. Understanding psychology of money helps make better financial decisions and achieve our goals.
Now, I would like to call Aditya on the stage for sharing more information on this topic. Aditya, please.
Good morning to all of you present over here, respected principals, sir, teachers and all my dear friends. Today, as we delve into a fascinating topic that touches every aspect of our life, the psychology of money. Our relationship with money goes beyond the number on our bank statements. It is deeply rooted in our emotions, beliefs and behaviors. Money is not just a medium of exchange, it represents security, freedom and often our dreams. To comprehend our financial decisions, we must understand the psychology that underlies them. Firstly, let's explore the concept of scarcity. The fear of not having enough drives many of our financial decisions. This fear can lead to impulsive spending, an aversion to risk, and a reluctance to invest. Recognizing and overcoming this scarcity mindset is crucial for making informed and strategic financial choices. Next, consider the impact of our upbringing and cultural influences. The attitude towards money are often shaped by our families, communities, and societal norms. Understanding these influences helps us become aware of any limiting beliefs that may hinder our financial growth. It is essential to question these beliefs and, if necessary, reframe our perspective for a healthier financial mindset. Moreover, emotion plays a significant role in financial decision making. Fear and greed can lead to impulsive action in the stock market. For example, by cultivating emotional intelligence and mindfulness, we can make financial decisions with greater clarity and composure. In the era of consumerism, distinguishing between needs and wants is crucial. Advertisement and societal pressure often blur this line. Developing a discerning attitude towards consumption helps us prioritize spending on what truly adds our value to our life. Lastly, let's discuss the importance of financial education. The more we understand the principle of investing, budgeting, and financial planning, the more empowered we become. Education is the antidote to financial anxiety. To conclude up today's morning assembly, I would just like to say that the psychology of money is a vast and intricate topic. By acknowledging the emotional and psychological factors that influence our financial decisions, we can cultivate a mindset that aligns with our goals and values. Let us strive for a balanced, informed, and empowered approach to our finances. Here's a quote which says, "Money is a terrible master, but an excellent servant." Thank you and have a marvelous day.
Money, like emotions, is something you must control to keep your life on the right track. Moreover, managing emotions such as fear and greed is a vital aspect. Fear can lead to hasty decisions during financial crisis, while greed may drive individuals to take unnecessary risks.
Now, to make this assembly more interesting, we would like to call some of our friends for a dance performance.
क्या बात है क्या चीज़ है पैसा क्या बात है क्या चीज़ है पैसा क्या बात है क्या चीज़ है पैसा क्या बात है क्या चीज़ है पैसा
For taking up this very interesting topic, psychology of money. Those who heard, I'm I'm sure will benefit, especially I feel class 8 onwards, you must have understood what was conveyed through speeches. Good dance. Congratulations to Maroon Blazer students who got this. It shows that they were pretty consistent with their performance throughout, for which they have been rewarded with Maroon Blazer. So I hope other students in the coming years also qualify to get scholar ties, then blue blazer, and then maroon blazer. On today's topic, it is said that money is important for us for giving us our security. Once we are secure, once we feel comfortable, we can grow. Too much of money is not a guarantee of happiness. Long before, way back in 1983, when I was doing my post-graduation, the place where I was staying, there was a tea stall where we used to go for having a cup of tea. And it was just at a place where there was a beautiful bungalow. The tea stall was in front of the bungalow. And there was also a rickshaw stand in which those rickshaws were parked. And at times I used to see those rickshaw pullers sitting and waiting for the passengers. So whenever I used to go for the tea, I used to offer tea to the rickshaw pullers who were there. And one day, I questioned that rickshaw puller, that how do you feel when you see this bungalow behind you? आप पीछे बंगला देखते हो इतना बड़ा और आप रिक्शे में बैठे हो तो आपको कैसा महसूस होता है? मैंने उस रिक्शे वाले से पूछा. And I was thinking that he will talk about his poverty and say, sir, I feel unlucky and so on and so forth. I feel jealous of the person living in the bungalow. I thought he will say this. But to my surprise, he said, sir, I feel I'm very lucky. मुझे लगता है कि मैं बहुत किस्मत वाला हूं. I was shocked. मैंने कहा ऐसे क्यों बोल रहे हो? तो कहता है साहब बड़े मजे से हम अपने रिक्शे में भी सो जाते हैं, लेकिन जो अंदर सेठ है उसको दवाई के बगैर नींद नहीं आती. That was an eye-opener for me. I was very young doing my post-graduation. So it was a shock for me that a rickshaw puller was feeling happier than the person who was living in that bungalow, all because he said he is able to sleep well. So richness has got many meanings. Rich doesn't mean that we are rich by our bank balance. Rich doesn't mean that we have a big bungalow. Rich doesn't mean that we have luxurious items with us. If you're having those, it's not bad. If you have earned them honestly, they are good, enjoy. But richness comes through good health, good thoughts, good friends around you. If you have good friends, you are rich. If you have someone to share your happiness with, you are rich. Okay, don't associate your happiness with wealth and bank balance. When it comes to money matters, we are advised that we should look at people who are having lesser than us, जो हमसे पीछे हैं. उनको देख के हमें महसूस होगा कि हम उनसे बहुत लकी हैं, बहुत किस्मत वाले हैं. And when it comes to knowledge and spiritual growth, we need to look at our higher people, जो हमसे आगे हैं, जो ज्ञान में आगे हैं, जो आध्यात्मिक तौर से हमसे आगे हैं, उनकी ओर हमें देखना है और उनका अनुसरण करना है। If we learn to do these things, we will be happy and we will make our lives successful. Thank you.